Welcome all. In this video, we will talk about the process to return a sleepyhead mattress successfully. After reading a lot of positive reviews on Amazon, I have made my decision and ordered a sleepyhead king size flip mattress on 20th January 2021, and it was delivered on 30th January 2021 at my home. Unfortunately, within few days of using the mattress, started feeling severe back pain, so decided to return the mattress. Although it was fulfilled by Amazon, but as per the return policy, the mattress was eligible for free replacement within 10 days of delivery in an unlikely event of damaged, defective, or different or wrong item delivered. But since the delivered mattress was of the exact size as ordered and damaged, and there was not any visible manufacturing defect found, so dropped this idea and decided to raise a return refund request directly with Sleepyhead under the amazing Sleepyhead 100 nights trial offer. So started the process on 8th February 21. Talked with Sleepyhead customer support and explained the problem. As advised, sent a return refund request mail also to Sleepyhead on the same day. On 10th February 21, received a response from Sleepyhead. Fill and sent the return request form along with two copies of a photo of mattress as requested. Filled and submitted the return request form. Since there was no option of attaching the photo in the form, sent photos of mattress via mail. On 11th February 21, got a reply from Sleepyhead. We will be arranging reverse pickup at the earliest. Our team will coordinate with the logistics team and expedite the same. Meanwhile, we will be sending packaging material at your address to pack the mattress and keep it aside. The logistics team will collect the same from your home within the specified time frame. On 13 February, received a SMS regarding an order booked by Sleepyhead containing the packaging material with a link to track the shipment. When tracked the same, found that the shipment was expected to deliver at my home on 19 February 21. It was a good progress. Now I started thinking that once I will receive the packing material, I will pack the mattress and kept it ready for the logistics team to come and take the mattress. But it is not necessary that everything will go in the same way as we think. On 16 February 21, received a call from Blue Dart regarding reverse pickup, and soon the pickup person was at my home. Since packing material was still not delivered to me, so requested to wait till I received the same. Although initially agreed, but later Blue Dart cancelled the reverse pickup with the status pickup cancelled by customer on attempt. It was shocking, very shocking. Just on the next day, a surprise was on his way to my home. On 17th February, received a SMS that your order containing the packaging material from Sleepyhead will be delivered by today. And soon on the same day it was delivered by delivery executive. Was it a bad luck for me? Within 24 hours of cancellation of the reverse pickup shipment by Blue Dart, packing material was with me. But unfortunately, order was cancelled till then. Now it was going to be late by a week. The next reverse pickup order was later booked by Sleepyhead on 22nd of February 21, and the shipment was picked up by Blue Dart on 23rd February 21. And now the mattress was expected to reach at Sleepyhead warehouse on 1st of March 21. Now let's talk about the refund process. Since as per Sleepyhead return policy, refund was supposed to be processed immediately once the mattress is picked up. So sent a mail to Sleepyhead on 23rd February confirming the pickup of mattress and requested to start the refund process, but this time a shocking update from Sleepyhead was waiting for me. In response to my mail on 24th February 21, Team Sleepyhead informed, we can see that the mattress has been picked up. So once the mattress reaches back to the factory, we will make sure that the refund will be initiated. It was just opposite to what they have mentioned on their website in their return policy. It was not expected from Sleepyhead. Replied them back with an attached snap of their return policy and requested to start the refund process immediately, but was not of any use because they again sent a reply that was same as the previous one. As per the discussion with the management and the information has been given, within 5 to 7 working days, the refund will be initiated. It was just near the date when the mattress was supposed to reach back at their warehouse. On 1st March 21, got a reply from Sleepyhead about refund, but the message was not clear. We will be initiating the refund and the amount will be credited back to your account within 3 to 5 working days. They even didn't mention that on which date they are going to initiate the refund. On the same day, got the confirmation from Blue Dart about successful delivery of the mattress at Sleepyhead warehouse. So sent a mail to Sleepyhead and requested again to initiate the refund on urgent basis and if initiated already, confirm the same. On 2nd March 21, talked with Sleepyhead customer support and the executive informed, your return shipment of mattress has been delivered to us and updated in the system, but refund not initiated yet. Your refund will be initiated by tomorrow, that is on 3rd March 21 only. Again, the deadline was crossed by Sleepyhead. But since there was not any other option, so decided to wait till tomorrow. Unexpectedly, in the late evening on 2nd March 21, received a mail from Amazon. Your request for refund has been processed. Wow, that was great news. I was amazed and thinking whether Sleepyhead started the refund and was it completed so soon? But how was it possible, especially when the executive informed me that refund will be initiated on 3rd March 21 only? So let me share an update with you. On 27 February 21, there was a discussion with Amazon representative regarding Sleepyhead's return policy. And in that discussion, I requested Amazon representative to communicate with Sleepyhead and insist them to keep follow their rules of returns policy. Although the executive was not able to solve my problem at that time, but who knows it worked. So what do you think? Is there a point in this statement? If your answer is no, there is surprise for you. When the refund was already credited in my account, received an email from Sleepyhead on 4th of March 21. The product has been reached to our warehouse, updated for refund, and the amount will be credited within 5 to 7 business working days in your account on the same. In this way, return and refund process was completed. Later, as a courtesy, sent a thanks mail to Sleepyhead for successful return refund process and advised some suggestions to improve their return refund process for the customers who want to return their product and seek refund in future. Thanks for watching this video.